And we are live. Hello, mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight's topic is something I know many of us secretly battled with, yung fear of judgment. So we've all been there, right? That moment when you want to try something new, but then suddenly you hear that little voice saying, "What will people say?" And just like that, we hold back. I've been through this season too. When I started showing up online, sharing about my business, my faith, my dreams, grabe, the fear was real. I was scared of being judged, scared of what people from my past might think, scared na baka may mag-comment na nagbago ka na ah, or worse, sino ka para mag-inspire. At first, every negative thought hit me hard. I questioned myself, should I even be doing this? But then I realized if I keep living on others' approval, I will never live my truth. The moment I started releasing that fear, I felt lighter. Parang finally, I could breathe again. Because here's what I've learned. People will always have something to say whether you succeed or not. So, why do I what so why not do what makes my heart happy, 'di ba? Why not live the story that God is writing for you? And when I embraced that mindset, everything changed. I started to speak with more confidence, act with more purpose, and serve with more love. Because I was no longer doing it to please anyone. I was doing it to fulfill my calling. So when you let go of that fear of judgment, you give yourself permission to grow, to be seen, and to inspire others who are still hiding behind their fears. So tonight, I want to remind you, you don't need to be perfect to inspire others. You just need to be real. Let go of that fear. Let go of that pressure and let yourself shine in the way God created you to. Because when you live authentically, you attract peace, purpose, and the people who will truly see your heart. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more about the business, you may direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info sessions. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.